Hey, what's up, everyone? So it is that time of year where you're thinking about wrapping paper. And if you're like me, not the easiest thing to be able to cut and get everything straight. I mean, it's nice that they put these little grid patterns on the wrapping paper, but I was sent this HRS wrapping paper cutter, and it is a tape dispenser as well. So like I said, wrapping is not my forte, wrapping paper is not my forte, and wrapping gifts is not my forte. Let me show you exactly what's inside. Now this is the 2-pack. They come in a couple different varieties. So just open this up, and I actually had to double check on packaging because I don't think I noticed it, but there is tape that comes in this, so that's nice. But it actually has 4 rolls of tape, 2 independent, and then again on this 2-pack, there's 1 on each roller. It also comes with 2 replacement blades. I thought that was kind of cool. Again, I had to double check. We're just gonna roll out the paper first, and we're going to set. And this little blade here on the bottom, you're gonna go underneath the paper just like that. And I just cut that. So that was actually really easy. And then I love, again, that the tape dispenser comes with it. So this would be a great product for you to pick up if you do a lot of gift wrapping, if you want to make it more efficient. Again, it comes with the rolls, 2 extra replacement blades, and then this 2-pack comes with 2 wrapping paper holders.